Business Idioms with Business English with Richard Halligan. That's me. And in this video, we're going to look into the idiom of to get the ball rolling. To get the ball rolling. Now, what this one means is to get something started. Now, it could be anything. It could be working on a project, starting a new business, or even you can use this in your personal life as well to do something simple like doing your homework, doing the cleaning, start cooking. It could be anything that you want to do. So to use this one in one example of a sentence, we can say, okay, well, looks like I got some huge homework assignment I need to do, so I better get the ball rolling. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you'd like to know any more business idioms or idioms in general, feel free to let me know in the comment section, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.